Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, let's learn how to fix Instagram widescreen problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. So let's get started. The only solution for this one, if you're an iPhone user, is we need to delete the app by holding the Instagram application icon on your home page, then choose delete the app. So once you delete the Instagram application on your phone, you need to go to App Store. Then reinstall the Instagram, then open your Instagram once it's completely installed. And the reason why we need to reinstall the application is because we need to clear all the data of the Instagram. And that is the only solution for an iPhone user. So I hope this solved your problem. So if it actually helps you a lot, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again next time.